check out what we were given. This is a concrete vibrator. Now, you look here at the picture, it gives you all the directions on how to put it together. It also tells you how much of a cord that you have. This one has a 3'6" shaft on it. Now, as you can see, comes. Now, this particular one didn't come with a battery. I have some of these DeWalt batteries laying around, and you can see it works really good. All you need to do is get it out. Now, this cover you could use to either keep it on there so you don't destroy it, however you want to do. But we're going to show you without it being on. So all you need to do is, you can see right there, there's a cord in there. And what you do is you line that up, put that in, and then screw this on. Now, when I first did it, I kind of got a little upset with it because it runs counterclockwise, like so. Now, I also put a little bit of never seize on it, so that way it would not seize. But now you can see it's all together and it works. Now we want to show you how well it works with this water because it is below freezing out here and nobody is pouring concrete. And you can see how the water is vibrating with this, like so. And you can see it move. So if you are going to be working concrete and you'd like to be able to get the air bubbles out of something, all you have to do is put that in and drag it. Then get you one of these.